We have an exceptional car here with us today, highly detailed, highly dialed in, and I sincerely mean that. It's a genuine GS 455 convertible, factory red with white interior. They've dressed it up with the GSX stripes. This thing is detailed underneath. Looks like a model car. It even has the assembly line stickers. Just beautiful. Get in and drive this one cross country. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's really, really nice, folks. Absolutely laser beam straight. Has the GS Ram Air hood with the hood tack. Fits square, flush, beautiful, no issues. No cracking, no chipping. Right around this lip, nice and clean. It fits the body so nicely. Look at the door gaps. All the way down to the bottom is smooth. Even underneath, look at that. Not even dust on my hand. Door lines up square and flush. Look at the jambs painted real slick. Shuts like a new car. Nice masculine quarter panels, and same thing. Even underneath, not even dirty. So up here, the trunk, square, flush, beautiful, has a GSX spoiler and lettering and striping. All this is clean, no rust, no bubbles, no cracking, no chipping, nothing that I can see, and I am looking for them. All this is mint, and again, when the molding fits the body, real nice, that's a good sign. The doors fit beautifully. Again, look at the jambs, they're beautiful. Shuts nice and solid. Got sport mirrors. Paint is polished like red glass. And then the black, that's all painted on. That's all slick as can be as well. So up here it has the GS grille with the GSX emblem, GSX front spoiler. Bumper has beautiful chrome. The moldings, all of that looks really sharp. Windshield's crystal clear. The white convertible top is pristine. We just put it down, there wasn't even a wrinkle in it, and the windows line up beautifully. When the top's up, the windows are up, all lines up real nicely. All the seals, even on the top, well, no, these aren't new, but they're very good. All the moldings were polished, the door jamb seals were replaced. It's sitting on some 15-inch chrome Buick mag wheels. Brand new BFGoodrich tires. It still has all the nubs on the tread. They just put those on. The GS 455 has red stripes down here. GS 350 would have black stripes. Marker lights look new. You got the rubber fillers in here. The bumper fits the body. All the chrome and trim is sparkling. All looks beautiful. All right, it's that time where we open it up. Check out the inside in that motor. The detail is even obvious inside the trunk compartment here. Look at the underside of the trunk lid, painted slick, has nice stickers. The jamb is slick, the weather strip is replaced. And look at this spatter paint. The stuff you get in a can does not look like this. This looks exactly like the factory spatter finish. They sprayed it with a gun, and this is the closest I've ever seen to factory, and it's spotless. The mat is new. The well liner looks real nice. You do have the jack, and they say this is one of the original tires for the spare. So yeah, nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. And again, maybe I'm a car geek, but I really like that spatter finish. Like I said, subscribe to our YouTube channel, but when you do, click the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. So door weather strips were replaced and fit real nice. The sill plates were replaced. This is a factory white. It's actually a pearl white interior car that was born that way, but this is all fresh. The door panels, the armrest, all that looks really sharp. It has power windows, nice in a convertible. The dash pad's mint, the instrument panel's real clean. Looks like the wood grain was replaced. Quartz movement in the clock. Here's the power top switch. It has a Buick stereo, retro stereo, fits right in the factory location. Clean ashtray. Light works in the glove box. We got Nice knobs, the light works, all carpeted real nice. Carpet on the floor is replaced. The seat's very comfortable. You're arguing with your sweetie, you put this down. If you want to have her sit close, you put it up. This all nicely upholstered, pearl white. Even the headrests are reupholstered. Same thing back here, from wall to wall, all reupholstered, all done very well. Full set of seat belts. You put 3 people back here. Again, power windows are nice in a convertible because put the top down, put all the windows down right from the driver's seat. Visors look to be real nice originals. The mirror looks like that could be new. We have a sport wheel, and that's on a tilt column. So really nice inside and out. Exceptional car. So this is the correct motor. It is dated properly. It is a 1970 GS 455 engine. Up on top, you have these dual snorkels that meet up to those hood scoops, and the fresh air is forced into the air cleaner, which is all restored. The engine's all detailed and painted real nice. The carburetor looks all proper and clean and correct. The firewall, all detailed up. All the black is refinished real nicely. The hinges are refinished. Has the correct overflow bottle for the radiator, spring clamp battery cables, all the components, belts, brackets, alternator, distributor, all that looks really good. A lot of times you have to pull the hood latch twice to get it to open. He said he even tinkered with that for quite a while to get it to where it opens on the first pull. All painted nice, has the horns, the washers are hooked up, has power steering, power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. It even has the heat riser tube in place, that's always gone. And then under the hood is the insulation, painted up real nice. So really good car. Whoever gets this one's going to be happy, I'm sure of it. Michael's going to show you how nice it rides and drives, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Top is down. It's time to go for a cruise here in this GS. Man, oh man, is this a nicely detailed car. I'm super excited to present it to you guys. It's been nothing but fantastic so far. Started right up with 2 taps on the gas and just a little turn of the key. This 455 under the hood runs fantastic. Paired with an automatic trans too. It's nice and easy to use. Power steering on this one. Power brakes as well. Disc up front, slotted and drilled rotors. Got the very handy heads-up tachometer there on the hood, and that is a functioning ram air system as well. Power windows and power top are very nice options to have. Well, let's see what she's got. Man, am I in love. This 455, man, she literally purrs like a kid. This thing is so sweet, so dialed in. What a great experience overall. I am absolutely in love. Seats feel great. All the suspension's been redone, fresh shocks, everything like that, fresh front end. Let's see how it is. Literally beautiful, beautiful alignment on here. Yeah, like I was saying, the whole front end's been redone, and you check out the undercarriage pictures, it's just totally fresh. I can't get enough of this one. I want to keep on driving it. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath is really detailed. The floors are pristine metal, painted real nicely, and the frame and chassis, all the components are painted up. It looks like the engine compartment. Suspension looks like it's been rebuilt. The bushings, again, all detailed right down to assembly line markings and tags were put back on the suspension. It's the sport suspension. It has sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms, new dual exhaust system like the factory style, new fuel system including the tank. The brakes have been gone through. Matter of fact, it's a disc brake conversion in front. A lot of Buicks still had drum brakes, even on the GS, but they've just put disc in the front. You look up at the motor, it's detailed. Nice turbo 400 automatic transmission. In back is a posi rear end. It's a nice cruising gear ratio. And again, super detailed. So you want a nice A-body muscle car convertible that Jay Grams, I'm telling you, this is a good one. Here it is. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your GS delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.